The most common way to power up your devices is plugging them into any outlet from the wall. But dealing with cables is painful and full of hassle. While charging with the cord is faster at 25 watt, the Galaxy S21 series can still power quickly at 15 watt wirelessly. That's why we have rounded up the top 5 best wireless charger for Galaxy S21 series out there only for you. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Designed to deliver fast wireless charging for your S21 series phone, the Boost Charge wireless charging pad from Belkin can charge your phone efficiently in a blink. This charging dock can deliver 15 watt output, and its universal Qi compatible feature makes sure you can also give some juice to your other devices. Besides, its LED indicator confirms when your device is ready. Without removing your phone case, you can charge your S21 phones as it works with any lightweight plastic cases up to 3mm thick. Finally, its non-slip material helps to grip your favorite phone and keeps it safe in its place while charging. Take the convenience of tangle-free charging on the road with the Samsung Portable Wireless Charger, which is the most portable and convenient product on our list. It is powered by a 10,000 mAh battery and can charge 2 devices simultaneously. Its pad can provide 7.5 watt output, and through the USB cable, your device can get up to 15 watt output easily. As it is Qi certified, so you can recharge any Qi compatible devices without any hassle. Moreover, it has 2 outlets, 1 power button, and an LED indicator so that you can get its full potential from it. Cut down on cables and the clutter. The Let's.com Ultra Slim wireless charger is built to make your life easier. All you have to do is put your phone on the pad and let the juice start to follow. With up to 15 watt output, this charger can boost up all your Qi compatible devices smoothly in minutes. It can also work with a max 6mm thick plastic phone case. This charger has an anti-skid surface, so your device will stick in its place. Also, its sleep-friendly indicator shows the charging status and won't bother your sleep. Its UL certification with multifunctional intelligent protect technology provides temperature control, over voltage, and other safety features to assure your and your device's safety. Featuring almost the same specs as Let's.com Ultra Slim, the Anker 15 watt max wireless charger has something more to reveal, which is why I put it on number 2 on our list. Effortlessly charge your Galaxy phone, smartwatch, AirBuds Pro, or other Qi certified devices because this charger can provide up to 15 watt of power effectively. It comes with an aluminum base which is designed for greater heat dissipation to ensure a more stable charging experience. And its anti-slip silicone pad keeps your phone in place when powering up. This charger is designed with foreign object detection, short circuit protection, and more, so you can experience the true wireless charging with total peace of mind. Okay, at number 1, we have a stand from Samsung. It's not only an amazing wireless charger, but also the most reliable product for Galaxy S21 phones. It features 2.0 fast charging technology, which enables you to experience up to 15-watt wireless charging output with both portrait and landscape mode. As it is Qi certified, you can give some power to your other Galaxy devices and even most of the Qi-compatible devices flawlessly. You can improve your charging time with its built-in cooling fan that makes sure your devices won't get hot while refueling. Last but not least, you can also control the cooling fan and the LED indicator icon with your phone. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.